Yeah, Gaz just noticed something in the water, and hey ho. Good morning. That's us checked out of the Everglades City motel. Really nice room. Such a quiet, peaceful place, you know. So, beautiful day. We're not getting on the interstate today, so we don't have to put our jackets on. It's going to be maybe about a 4.5 hour to get down to Key West. But really looking forward to the drive over the Keys on the bridge. And we've checked in or booked in on AirBnB to a yacht. So we're going to stay on a yacht tonight because it's actually one of the cheaper options in Key West. It's in a yacht club, so we've got access to the pool and stuff there, the bar. We've been heading east for the last hour and a half. We are just on the outskirts of Miami, but it's not time for the party town in Miami yet. So we're going to hang a right. See you later. See you later, Miami. See you in a few days. But it's definitely time to head down to the Keys. Well, we've hit our first key. It's Key Largo. I've heard of this one before. I think what movie? Cocktail. Yeah, the movie Cocktail. Obviously, most of my American knowledge comes from movies, and that's about it. Oh, I think we're gonna nip in to grab some fuel before we head down over the long bridgeways to Key West. And here we have Key West. And here we have it, the Hogfish Bar and Grill. Well, we're just nipped in for a quick drink before we check into our room or boat, and yeah, Gaz just noticed something in the water, and hey ho. So cool. Yeah, just gonna jump in and play with them. That's so cool that they're literally 10 meters away from the bar. Awesome. Well, that quick trip into Hogfish Bar and Grill. Wow, manatees. That was awesome. Literally just stopped in to grab a beer just whilst we're waiting to check into the yacht that we're going to be staying in for the next few nights. And yeah, Gaz noticed something and it turned out to be amazing experience with the sea cows. Very cool, loving Key West already. Oh, sorry. Right, we've traded in our Harleys for a couple of beautiful little pedal bikes. I'm really happy with my blue bikey. So we're going to grab our bikes and load it up with bags and let's try and find this boat. Gaz is driving pretty weird. Come on, Gaz. Yep, here we go. Home sweet home. Alright, down we go. Take the shoes off. Shoes that are falling apart. Look at them. So we've got all the tarps up, obviously because it's super hot at the moment. Let's have a look. Ooh, icy cold aircon. Whew. Kitchen. This is going to be Gaz's little hole. The baby bedroom. There's a flick switches, and then we've got a nice little living area with TV, movies, all on the boat Wi-Fi. Very cool. Bathroom, perfect size for a 6'4" man. Oh, yep, and a tiny toilet. Let's not have any spicy food. And then my room. Yeah, obviously the captain's quarters for me. Not a bad place for burgers.
Not too shabby for Gaz.
Yeah,
Not too shabby at all.
This is going to be our new local for the next few days. You, big trouble. You, not so much. I'm watching you. Yeah, yes, you. Well, DJ Clam Shack, another Triple D restaurant, and wow, it sounds good. The lobster roll and the clam neck, whatever.
Oh, man overboard. Tasty. I mean, it tastes like garlic mussels. So I'm looking forward to tasting that.
Right, let's do this one-handed, like a Jedi. It's a really nice garlic sauce and clams. You got the broth. Oh, that broth's going to be nice with the garlic bread, for sure. Yeah, that broth with the garlic bread. That's good. I think we need to communally drink the juice as a symbol. Delicious. This is probably the best part of this meal, by far.
When you're sick later.
Oh, but it's having a spoon.
I'll have a spoon.
Yes. What?
Really, really good meat. I was worried the sauce would overpower the ground meat. The sauce is pretty good. So is the meat. It's kind of tasteless.
I like it because it's not battered, it's not fried, it feels like a light sandwich. Out of all the sandwiches I've had on this trip, this is the one I'd like to have a lot more.
Really? I have a very tasty sandwich on that trip.
Have a big meat mouthful. At a very strange place right now. I think I'm just happy not being eating fried food, and that's overwhelming me. Gaz may be the voice of reason. I enjoyed the roll, Gaz, you enjoyed the clam necks.
I enjoyed it all.
I might be tainted because I've eaten so much fried food and barbecue that
literally a steamed flip-flop would taste good at this point.
Give it a couple of hours of beers and I can probably get you eating one of those.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I recommend this place. Gas will probably give it a 7 out of 10.
It's on a 7 or 8.
Gas is 7, 8. I'll probably give 8.5. So, same ballpark. Different facial expressions.